Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we looked at what Git is and why it is used. In this video, you will be learning a few very useful commands to perform the branch specific actions such as viewing the existing branches, creating a new branch, etc. Let's start with the first command, that is a git branch. This command shows a list of already created branches on a local repository. Let's say you had created a few branches earlier. Now you want to see the list of all the branch names. We have already created a GitHub demo project in Eclipse. So let's run this command to see which all branches of that project are already available on my local Git repository. Now let me open the Eclipse to copy the location of that project. Here you can notice the name of the project is a GitHub demo. Now I want to view the location of that project. So I'll right click on the project name, click on properties. On this window, you can notice this project is available at this location. Next to that location, there is an arrow icon. Let me click on that. It will open this project location in a file explorer. Alright, so now you can notice GitHub demo project is opened in the file explorer. Let me go inside this GitHub demo project. Now I'm inside this GitHub demo project. In order to run the git command, I need to perform two actions. First, I need to open the command prompt. Second, I need to change the directory to this location, right? For that, there is a shortcut. You can open the command prompt in the current working directory, right? So let me type here cmd. Now I'll press the enter button. Alright, so now you can notice command prompt is open and by default it is in the project working directory. Alright, so now run the git branch command to check which all branches are already available on this git local repository. I'll type git branch. Now I'll press the enter button. Alright, this command is executed successfully. It is showing the branch name master. That means as of now, there is only one branch available on the local repository. The name of that branch is the master branch, right? So let's conclude the git branch command. Git branch command shows the list of all the branches which are available on your local Git repository. Alright, now we have seen how to get the list of already created branches. Now let's move to the presentation to learn how we can create a new branch. In order to create a new branch, you need to run the git branch command where you need to specify the branch name. This command will copy the code from the current branch and will create a new branch. One point to be noted that it will only create a new branch and it will not switch to the newly created branch. That means you will still be working on your current branch only. So currently I am in the master branch that contains the entire code. Now I need to start automating the login functionality. So I will need to create a separate branch with the name feature login. In this feature login branch, I will write a login test script. Alright. Now let's navigate to the terminal and create a feature login branch. I'll type a command git branch feature hyphen login, right? So here you can notice feature hyphen login is the name of the branch which I want to create. Let me press the enter button. This command is successfully executed and it has created a new branch with the name feature login. To verify this, let's run the git branch command that will show the list of available branches. Now I will write git branch and press the enter button. Here you can notice git branch command is showing two branches. One is the feature hyphen login and second is the master branch. As I told you earlier, this command creates a new branch only and it does not switch to the newly created branch. That is the reason you can notice after running that command, a new branch is created, but you are still working in the master branch only. The branch name which is displayed in the green color, that indicates that you are working in that branch, right? So here you can notice master branch is displayed in the green color. That means you are in the master branch right now. Alright, so now we have seen how we can create a new branch. Now let's move to the presentation to learn about the command to switch to the newly created branch. We have already created a new branch. Now we would like to switch to the new branch to start our work. First, let me explain to you what it means to switch to the another branch. It means that you want to exit from the current branch and move to the another one. In order to switch to the another branch, you need to run the git checkout command and specify the branch name where you want to switch. If you have any changes in the existing branch, then you need to first commit them before switching to the new branch. That means you need to first run the git commit command to commit the changes. Else Git will not switch to the new branch. We have already created a feature login branch. Now let me run this command to switch from master to the feature login branch. I will navigate to my terminal. So here you can notice currently I am into the master branch. Let me first run the git status command to check does this branch has any changes. So I'll write git status. Now I'll press the enter button. Now let's understand this output. It is showing that you are on the master branch and this master branch is up to date. That means there is no new changes on this branch. Now we need to switch from master to the feature login branch. So I'll write git checkout and now I have to specify the branch name, right? The name of the branch is a feature hyphen login. So I'll write feature hyphen login. Now I'll press the enter button. So you can read the message that you are switched to the branch feature login. So let's confirm this by running the git branch command. So I'll say git branch. Now I'll press the enter button. Now you can see the difference, right? There are two branches, feature hyphen login and master. Currently feature hyphen login branch name is displayed in the green color. That means now you are in the feature login branch. Now let me minimize this command prompt. So as of now we have covered three commands. One is a git branch branch name, and third is the git checkout branch name, right? That's all for this video. Now let's meet in the next video to learn how to push the code on a specific branch. See you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.